I am Kendall Burns from the Midnight Oil blog, and today I wanted to show you what I'm working on. I am attempting a Dollar Tree Christmas tree collar. I have one cute little tree that I'm pretty much redoing from head to toe, but I'm DIYing a ton of stuff for it. It's actually over here. I think you can see it in the camera, but I'll show you a picture. And it doesn't have anything on the base. Last year it was kind of hidden behind a couch, so it didn't need a skirt or a collar. This year I wanted to have a collar, but I cannot find any that I like for under $35. So I thought I would attempt to turn this Dollar Tree laundry basket into a Christmas tree collar. So we are going to start by cutting out the top, and I have a bunch of different tools that I'm going to try. I'm just gonna try scissors first and we'll see how that goes. Okay, this is cutting pretty much just fine. And yes, I realize I'm using fabric cutting scissors, which is like the cardinal sin. But they are my best, sharpest scissors, and I don't use them for fabric anymore. So now they're just my all-purpose scissors. Okay, so the base is out. I'm tempted to kind of just leave the top like that and see what happens. Now, the only other thing is that it has these kind of handles, so we need to cut that so that it will sit perfectly flat. I have a hacksaw here. I'm going to try that. All right, I traded out my fabric scissors for kitchen scissors. So once I sawed into that side where the handle was, I can pretty much just twist it and get a good cut to get that handle piece cut off. So it doesn't look pretty, but I think that'll do the trick to allow it to sit flat. So now I just need to do the other side. That just snapped off. Wow. So this sits pretty flat now. My one recommendation is that you cut over far enough that you're not getting any of the slant, because I have a little bit angling up right here because I should have cut over like 1/4 of an inch on each side of this handle, but I'm okay with that. And now I am going to just see about putting this fabric around and see what we can do. I think I will end up hot gluing. My only problem is I don't have quite enough fabric. So I'm gonna add a little patch of white to the back of this fabric just to give me, and then I'll put that in the back and nobody will see it, because I just try to use things that I already have when I do my DIY projects. So if you have a big enough piece of fabric, you will not have to do an attachment piece, but this is how I'm gonna do it. Okay, my basket is ready for my fabric to attach, and I have this really wonky piece of fabric, again, because I wanted to use this and I don't want to go back to the store. So this smaller check I'll just put toward the back and nobody will ever know. It's fine. And then there's a weird add-in piece here. It's a little wonky, but it's fine. We make do with what we have. So basically, I am just going to hot glue the heck out of this. I'm going to start, I'm gonna do it to the bottom first, and I'm just gonna go like as kind of close as I can on the bottom here. So I will zoom the camera in so that you guys can see a little bit closer what I'm doing, but it's just a matter of hot gluing, and I'm hoping this works, and I'm hoping it looks fabulous under my tree.